In today's video, I will provide you with instructions to remove the browser notifications that come from the website News-ropaki.cc. This is a deceptive and dangerous website that tries to trick its visitors into subscribing to the multiple push notifications. News-ropaki.cc attempts to make people click on a special allow button. However, clicking on allow button is extremely risky and dangerous. If you do that, your browser will be hijacked. You may be redirected to some other malicious websites. Also, you will start getting a lot of advertisements that will be displayed in the right part of your screen. To deactivate these ads, you should urgently implement some browser fixes. So access the menu of the browser, go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy, click on Site Settings, then go to Permissions, select Notifications. Pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. And if you find this News-ropaki.cc, make sure you delete it from this list. And also delete other malicious sites that are causing similar troubles. I would also recommend that you carefully research and investigate your system with the help of Combo Cleaner, the reliable antivirus software. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then begin researching your system to detect and eliminate other infections that could possibly still remain on the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.